Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to, I don't know if it's another episode or just a little mini reel, but we got Cheeto, we got fireworks, we got the American flag, we got 4th of July weekend. We're gonna make a dope fucking edit, We're going plasma cannon. That one was good, but we needed more boom. Drone flight successful, courtesy of Palm Beach Island. Thank you. Just got one of the sickest shots. Dude, I gotta swim for a second. So we had 2 days. We had shitty weather all week, and we got some fireworks and a Cheeto banner. We made our way out here. We got some drone shots. We got some GoPro shots. Over-unders. I think we handled it. I think we did. Heading out to the Sea Stratas now. Sea Stratas. To properly engage in the 4th of July weekend. There we go. That's a wrap, boys.